we're here today, but yes, yesterday's real. And my energy bill looks like I'm in Beverly Hills, but I'm not. It keeps on rising like year after year. Make it stop. Inflation's crazy and it's making me scared. Call the cops. Y'all mistake that I'm high as gas prices is to be some type of fine, and I whine about this life we live. Yeah. And I can see my savings shaving away. I just wave it away while I work my way to the grave. Hey, if I could be smarter.
So if they can get Mrs. Smith's house at 120% offset, and that 20% extra energy is getting pumped back into the grid during the peak time of the day, well, the utility is getting this free energy from Mrs. Smith. They're giving Mrs. Smith a little credit for it, and they're selling it for full price to your neighbors.
Solar industry is interesting. It's $183 billion as a mammoth industry that's growing. It kind of reminds me of the storm industry. It's a little different, obviously. You're going after the financial arm. It's not really about the solar panels. I'm not a green guy. I didn't vote for Biden. I don't know if the icebergs are melting, but I do know this. People need money, need it fast at the kitchen table to pay deductibles and upgrade roofs. And that little solar financing deal, and it makes your job more profitable. And you can basically finance the supplement, the deductible, all that kind of stuff, and speed up cash, because we need cash to keep going.
Solar, solar, they going solar, solar, and all my neighbors say that they can't wait to save for solar.
What we don't see up there is in 1972 to 2016, it was 0 to 1 million for 40 years. Less than 1 million homes installed with solar. In 2 years, it doubled. And now it's gonna double again in 2 years. What does that tell you about an industry? It means it's a rapid growth industry. You gotta keep an eyeball on growth numbers like that. There's gonna come a time here in a year or two, I'll just be honest, where if you're a roofing contractor without a solar, at least a solar Navy SEAL team in your pocket, maybe 2 guys, maybe not your whole SEALs team, maybe it's 2 guys, called a Navy SEAL team. If you don't have that button, you're gonna lose the guy that does. 1 + 1 = 99, not 2.
Hey, my name is Tony Silva from Home Repair. You know, coming to the boot camp, it's really been an amazing, eye-opening experience. I got to give it to SVG and Anthony for really putting together a great process that simplifies the entire solar process, from sale to install, making it turnkey for the customer, making it just a much simpler process as a contractor to be able to, you know, offer a customer solar and to be able to do it in a way that is easy to understand, clearly shows the customer what they're saving, what they're paying, and it's just a really seamless system, better than any other way I've ever seen it done.
Because I didn't really believe in solar a year ago. There's a reason for it. There's an industry opportunity there that you guys need to look at. And it's sexy. Synergy, 1 + 1 = 99, not 2. This year it's about winning, because COVID's done, right? But it's about getting back on track as entrepreneurs and top sales producers, key managers, to engage in this thing we call free enterprise. Everybody here believe in free enterprise? I used to chase the storms, now I chase the sun.
I'm going solar, solar, saving my dollars. Ain't no more waste of paper, cause I'm gonna save with solar. I'm going solar, solar, they going solar, solar.